For this circuit lesson, you're going to wire a switch circuit. Okay, so what you're going to need is your blue LED, the 330 ohm resistor, 2 wires, and your kit has these little guys right here. These are little switches. So go ahead and take a moment to find that switch. Okay, so your circuit, you're going from 5 volts to E1. Positive leg is going into A2, negative leg's going in, or A1, negative leg's going to A2. The resistor is in B2 and B9. The negative wire is going from A10 to ground. And then the little switch, you have 3 legs on this little switch. Okay. The middle leg, that's going to go into E10. So the middle leg is going to go into E10. Okay, so plug that in. Let me give you a better shot here. So E10 is the middle one, just like that. And then when you switch it on, the LED turns on, and when you switch it off, the LED turns off. This is just so neat to me. I love electronics. Okay, so for this circuit, this is the circuit that you're wiring up. The little switch circuit with an LED. Okay, so this is an open circuit because the electrons cannot flow through it because the door is open. Close the door, electrons flow through the circuit because we made the connection by switching it to a closed position.